argument.
Pardon me?
The only thing else I have no more questions of the defendant.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, as the state pointed out, that these are all bond charges that are entitled to bond. As far as the price goes and what they are at, generally speaking, I believe the highest one was at $15,000. Then there was 10, and there's the misdemeanor, which is generally $1,000. Often the courts will go to the highest and then reduce the other ones to $2,500 and $1,000, so he can respectfully afford it. To say the line, a bond that he can't afford is tantamount to no bond at all. He's hired attorneys. He's here. He's presented himself. He plans to attend all hearings as directed by the court. We'd ask that the court set the bond. I believe the highest was at the $7,500 and reduce the others to $2,500 and the $1,000. While he's being honest about his address being in New York, he does have substantial ties.
What is your name?
Mendel Raphael.
Your case number is 2025 CF12101. You're here, and probable cause has been found for felony 3 conspiracy, extortion, and stalking. State and defense, I'll allow state to go first on bond and release conditions.
I'm sorry, did you say state to go first or defense, Your Honor?
Either. I didn't specify. Go ahead.
I'll defer to the state.
And Your Honor, as charged, Mr. Raphael is currently entitled to bond at this time. Count 1 is an F3, count 2 is an F2, and count 3 is an M1. As he is entitled to bond, we will be asking for at least the schedule on all counts. State is concerned regarding his community ties. I do not believe he has any links to the community or Florida in general. I do believe there was an extradition request from New York, where I believe Mr. Raphael primarily lives. For the schedule for the F3 is $5,000. The schedule for the F2 is $10,000, and the schedule for the M1 is $1,000. The facts alleged are concerning, and the extortion is largely claiming that he has nude photographs and videos of the alleged victim, stating that he's going to post them if she does not provide money to him. Multiple of those photos and videos have been reviewed by law enforcement of her in intimate moments with, I believe, her ex-boyfriend, or in little clothing, dancing. She did advise both of those videos were for an ex-boyfriend. So we will be asking for the schedule on all counts based on the allegations, the charges, and his lack of ties to the community.
Mr. Mason, before you say anything, corrections, is there any kind of extradition or out-of-state history?
No, Your Honor, it doesn't look like any out-of-state history.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, if he was extradited.
Defense counsel, do you want to be heard? And the bond schedule does call for double those amounts if a defendant has no ties to the community. So I am keeping all of that in mind. You may proceed.
Correct, Your Honor. And he does have the ties to the community, if I may inquire with him. Mr. Mendez, where are you currently staying?
Oh, 27 West Lakeland Street, Bayshore, New York, 11706.
Okay. And your friend who's currently here is assisting to arrange with your bail. Where is she located?
He is in Orlando, but I don't know the address.
Okay. And have you lived, or do you have a friendship network in Orlando?
I have a friend.
Do you have a network of friends and people you know or family that are in Orlando?
Yes.
Or Central Florida?
Yes.
Okay. you have retained counsel in this case because you intend to appear as ordered by the court, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Your current financial conditions, are they such that they're fluid that you can afford a large amount of bond, such as coming up with something of $20,000 in bond, or is that something that's you're going to need to ask your friends and family to assist in having you do? Did you understand my question, sir?
Can you repeat for me, please?
He asked you to repeat it.
You personally don't have enough money that's liquid to post your own bond, so you're resorting to asking friends and family to be order to raise enough bond in order to post your bond so you can be released, correct?
Yes.
In other words, you're borrowing money or taking an advance from friends, right?
To pay the bond?
Yeah, to pay the bond.
Yes.
Have you taken any drugs, alcohol, or medicine that's affecting your ability to understand our conversation or the questions imposed by your attorney?
No, I don't do drugs. I don't drink.
Okay, because you're answering very slowly, so I do have concerns, but he's quelled my concerns. Go ahead and continue. Mr. Mason, you went offline. Okay, he went offline. We'll recall him when the attorney gets back on. The next case is Radomir Domond. Sir, what is your name?
Mendel